how are you? And hope you are doing well. So today we are gonna see another video, and in order to win $1,000 for the fifth day in a row for you. And it's also, most of these matches are from Champions League event. Champions League today. This year becomes very interesting for betting and predicting and play matches, okay? So take care of yourself and let's start the business. The first match is Feyenoord Rotterdam from Netherlands and Bayer 04 Leverkusen from Germany. And the other match is AS Monaco from France and Barcelona from Spanish League. Okay, let's start. Feyenoord versus Bayer Leverkusen. This match is going to be like this. Bayer Leverkusen will score at least 1.5 goals. Okay. Sverna or Cervena Zvezda or this team against Benfica. This match is going to be like this. Either Benfica will win the match or they will draw. Okay. The third match is Monaco versus Barcelona. Monaco will score at least one goal. Okay. The fourth match is Atalanta versus Arsenal. This match is going to be like this. Atalanta and Arsenal. So Arsenal will score at least one goal. Okay? Please keep that in mind. The other match is Atletico Madrid versus Raisin Ballsport Leipzig, or shortly Leipzig. Leipzig will score at least one goal. Okay? Keep that in mind. The other match is Stade Brestois 29 versus Sturm Graz. This match is going to be a little bit harder for predict for one team, but both teams will play on both teams. The total goals in the match will be over 1.5 goals. Now we'll move to Russian Cup. Paris-Nice Novgorod or something like that in English against Akhmat. Akhmat will score at least one goal. And the eighth match is Khimki versus Lokomotiv Moscow. As we know, Lokomotiv Moscow will score or will win. And we'll move to Spanish League is Leganés versus Athletic Bilbao. Athletic Bilbao will score at least one goal. This is the 9 matches of the day. Please, as I tell you every day, don't play all these matches in one ticket. It's almost impossible to happen or to win or to play it, but play at least 3 matches in a separated ticket, okay? Or even one match from all these matches and play it with a big capital. So if you play it with $150, you would get $6,491.29. But if you just want to keep it in $1,000, you can play it only with $25 or win $100, or the best one is $150. Okay, take care of yourselves. See you later. Thank you.